Have you ever wondered what would happen if the sun suddenly disappeared, even for just 1 second? At first, you might think nothing would change. After all, light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. So if it vanished for just 1 second, we wouldn't even notice it, at least not immediately. But it's not just about light. The sun's gravity holds the entire solar system together. If the sun were to disappear, even briefly, that gravitational pull would vanish too. In that 1 second, every planet, including Earth, would slightly shift from its orbit. We'd begin to move in a straight line instead of circling the sun. And although we'd return to normal once the sun came back, that tiny wobble could cause long-term changes in our orbit. Satellites, asteroids, and even the moon's path could be affected. Tiny changes today could mean huge consequences in the future. And there's more. If this disappearance happened repeatedly, it could destabilize the entire solar system over time. So what happens if the sun disappears for just 1 second? Maybe not much right away. But space doesn't forgive even the smallest changes. 1 second might be all it takes to throw everything off balance.